In our students table, we notice that the user would always have to type the province. We now want to make this a drop-down field where the student can click a drop-down button and have the province populate. So I'm going to quickly create a table in design with only one field, which is province. I'm going to make a short text, 20 digits long. I'm going to set this as the primary key and save the table as LKP, which is lookup province. And you see I'm using these prefixes to differentiate between tables and lookups. So LKP, my short form for lookup province. So when I open, so now here's my lookup province. I'm going to right click and go to my datasheet view and quickly start keying in my provinces. So Lusaka is my first province, Central, Western, Southern, and let me do copper belt. That's okay for now. I can always add to this list. Then I'm going to click on the column or the field here, which will select all the records underneath. Then I'm going to go to the within the home tab. You see the ascend button, so I'm going to make it ascending. Then I'm going to save that, then close this table. So I have a lookup table called province. Then I go back into the student table, actually in design. Then whilst I'm in the province field for the student table, I'm going to go to the lookup option in the properties, the field properties, and by default, all fields have the text box property as their display control. I'm going to change this to combo box, which is a drop down. And the combo box gives me many options, but the most relevant options for now is that I want to pick the row source from a table or a query. Then the row source itself, it will list all the tables and queries in our system. And since we don't have any queries, no query is showing, but I want the lookup province. I want this field here, province, to be looked up upon by the lookup province. Let's see what that means. That means if I go in design view and I go to the province, now the values have been received from the lookup province table which we created. So I see Central, Copperbelt, Lusaka. I can actually now use a drop down to change my provinces. Let's say I have a new province called Chongo. All I have to do is go to my lookup province and add that Chongo province to it. And once I save that province, if I should go back to my student table and click my drop down, or actually let me close this and open it up, my table students, and click the drop down, I'll now see Chongo as an option. So this is a nice way to allow the user to use drop downs to define what they want to select. So this is how to use tables as lookups.